2015 Chrysler 200, but I take it off already, front left shocks, and put new one. And I show you how to replace it. No half nut, no half bolt like other shocks. These are very difficult shocks. 3.6 liter engine, Chrysler 200C. These are two lock. How this is coming out, and this one coming out. Only this half lock. This half lock only push. That's it. Push.
और स्टॉप कर दी मैंने.
कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा चला लो. वो मैं okay. This is for knuckle. Take it off all the knuckle down before I make a video. You see how I put the shocks. This axle, and I'm not tied the shocks. Shocks no have bolt for top side. Only have lock. That's it. I open axle, brake caliper, ball joint, outer tie rod, speed sensor, everything take it off to bring it down for horsey pendle. Okay. Well, outer tie rod bolt, yeah. Outer tie rod not have 18 milli size. This are for 1.7, 0.16 socket for CV axle, and shocks. This bolt have 18 milli. This one, and 15 milli for sway bar link, 10 milli speed sensor. Okay, and I put it back everything. Okay, now put the speed sensor, tight it. Rope level. You know, and the camera. Put this sway bar link. CV axle nut. Tight it. For outer tie rod. Yeah.
Where's Uncle?
Uncle no more. For speed sensor. That's it. Now we put brake pad back. Brake caliper.
You see that message they sent you, Mohammed?
No. 14 milli bolt. Okay.
Yeah, it's just, I like Pakistan food.
You like it? Hose here. Okay. Now I lift up car. Put this bolt for ball joint bolt. Lower ball joint. And this half nut. 15 milli nut. Move the knob now. This hat holder for is bolt. You know, put this one wrench 11 milli. Okay, this everything is done. Now ready to put back for tire. After this one, I bring a car down and I show you how that goes sharp. Wheel lug nut for 19 milli socket. This is shocks. Okay, this new shocks no have bolt like Toyota other car. Some car have 4 nut, some car have 3 nut. This car have only 4 shocks like this clip. नजर आना पे आगे कार के this have only for clip. This side have lock and this side. Inside is key teeth like grip. That's it. And subscribe to my channel. Put this cover. Subscribe my channel.